Hello, what's up everyone? I'm back again with another video tutorial, and today's video tutorial is about how to save a video from your Telegram. Let's suppose you receive a video in your Telegram chat, so how are you going to save it into your photo or into your gallery? So what you need to do is go to the Telegram application and go to the chat where you received the video. Now what you need to do is click or press and long hold it, and after a bit this menu will pop up. Now what you need to do is click on save video. Remember, click, or you can say press and long hold it. Long press it, they call it. You do that, this menu will pop up. You click on save videos and the video will be saved on your phone, in your gallery or in your photos. So it's as simple as that. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.